Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change transition effects on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on screen to see the effects below. Okay, tap the effects. And you can see the option of transition effect. Okay, you can see cross, fades, inside box, and okay, you can scroll to the left for more. The out box, the left rotate, and the right rotate, the overlay, and the shade. And okay guys, I decide to change into inside box. Okay, so you'll have to do is go back, and okay guys, we can try to show the transition effect. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the transition effects on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.